I picked this up. It's from Let's Resin. No, I'm not sponsored. I did pay for this. But I wanted a UV starter kit. So let's see what's all in this. Comes with a couple different ones. Both of them are the same. So hard type resin. Little mixing cup so you can add in pigments and stuff. Little silicone mat. And the little UV resin light. This is the main reason why I wanted it, and this was such a good deal, so I went and got it. If you want to get your own, link will be in the description. Alright. Well, I don't need the silicone mat for right here because I have one. Let's see what this is. And it does not come with a brick, so I'm going to have to grab one of those real quick. And it has little leggies. Pretty sweet. All right. Let me go grab a brick real quick. And let's go ahead and get our resin ready. Okay, so no mixing, fast curing, low odor, and crystal clear. Alright, so I'm going to add some of this pigment, brush it on to the back side of this. Just like before. Get it all up in there and dab it around. Okay, now we're going to add the UV resin. Now the first one I didn't get enough in there, so you do want to make sure you fill it up. So that's why I'm using the light to see around the edges. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to pop it underneath our little light here. It is pretty thick, so we're going to go ahead and do 150 seconds. We'll be right back. And there you go. Now you don't want to handle it too much until it cools down because it is a little bit warm. And it did say if you do touch it, you'll have a fingerprint. Or you might get one. So leave that off to the side and go ahead and get this one done. And there you go. So there's the back of it with the UV resin. It's nice and hard. It looks good. It's solid. Really easy to use. I like the little UV light. It's small and compact. Great for small projects. But yeah, let me know what you think. I like it. I'm glad I purchased it. Link is in the description if you would like to get your own. And yeah, if you're thinking about doing these kind of projects with a little bit of UV resin, it's a good little kit. Comes with everything you need, except you do need the brick for the power. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.